Dear students, we are going to discuss some concepts in the form of numerical for mole fraction. Students, this is a simple one where mass of solute and mass of solvent is given. The numerical is like this. If 4 gram of sodium hydroxide dissolves in 36 gram of water, calculate the mole fraction of each component in the solution. See, here mass of sodium hydroxide is given 4 gram, which is solute. Mass of water is given 36 gram, which is a solvent, isn't it? So if you know mass and molar mass of solute, mass and molar mass of solvent, you can easily calculate their number of moles separately. And if you are calculating their number of moles separately, then easily you can calculate their mole fraction also. So first we will calculate number of moles of sodium hydroxide, which is a solute. We know that N solute equals to M by M, small m by capital M, where small m gives the molar mass of substance divided by capital M is, a small m is given mass by of substance and capital M is molar mass of substance. So this is how given mass by molar mass gives you number of moles of sodium hydroxide. If you calculate number of moles of sodium hydroxide 4 gram by 40 gram, it comes out to be 0.1 mole. Students, 40 gram you must know that 40 gram is the molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Similarly, number of moles of water is calculated by putting given mass by molar mass. It comes out to be 2 moles.
Start.
Now, as per expression of mole fraction, we know that mole fraction of component A, here component A is, for example, component A is sodium hydroxide and component B is water, if you consider for time being. X NaOH equals to number of moles of NaOH divided by total number of moles. Okay, so 0.1 divided by 0.1 plus 2. Okay, as we have calculated number of moles equals to 0.0476. Similarly, we will calculate number of moles of water, that is second component or component B, whatever you call it. So NH2O by NH2O plus NaOH, 2 by 2 plus 0.1 gives you 0.9524. Okay, students? So now we can easily calculate total mass of solution, because total mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. 4 plus 36, it becomes 40 grams. So total mass of solution is 40 grams. Students, you know that D equals to M by V, where D is density. Density equals to mass by volume. Hence, volume will be mass by density. See, this V is going as numerator on the opposite side of and D is coming as denominator. So V equals to M by D. It becomes 140 by 1 gram per ml, comes out to be 40 ml. Okay, now, okay, I repeat, students, D equals to M by V. So V equals to M by D. We are keeping the values 40 gram divided by 1 gram per ml, comes out to be 40 ml, 40 milliliter. Now, students, coming to molarity. Number of moles of solute by volume of solution in liters give molarity. Here volume of solution is present in ml. See, 40 ml. So we have to multiply the numerator by 1000 to convert it into liters, or you are, in other words, you are dividing the ml by 1000 to convert it into liters. So 0.1 into 1000 divided by volume of solution in ml. So putting the values, after putting the values, you get molarity 2.5 molar. Thank you.